In this video, I'll be comparing TickTick and Notion to see which one is right for your productivity needs. So which one is really better? For Notion, it is a flexible and all-in-one workspace. You can build your own templates, pages, databases, and dashboards. It is perfect for creative users who like full control over how their information is organized. However, Notion doesn't include advanced task or time management tools by default. TickTick is more focused on task execution. It gives you structured to-do lists, calendar views, reminders, and habit tracking all out of the box. If your priority is customization and flexibility, Notion is a strong choice for you. However, if you want a ready-to-use productivity tool with features like timers and recurring habits, then TickTick would be more efficient for you. And that's basically it. If you found this comparison helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe if for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.